Hi fellas, welcome back to my Fisher Tech channel. As always, great to see you again and thank you for staying tuned. So, this will be the last video about the series of my Mi Band 4 and the downgrading of the signal of the Bluetooth antenna. If you want to see some details about why, how, just check out my old videos. Thank you. So, another thing, till now, because you have to consider this device was water resistant, I cracked it open, worked upon it. As you can see, I kinda didn't damage. It's almost, it's perfect. If you look even careful, you can see that the device was cracked open. So maybe, as now the water resistance worked pretty well. I washed my hand pretty often, as I always do, not because of this crappy virus which is around, and till now it worked pretty nicely. I mean, it resisted to the water. This will be just a strength of signal test. For this test you must consider, as you can see, the environment, which is full of antennas, full of conductive materials, full of metals, and what we obtain, maybe it's a kind of redundant signal. So I've tested it on the outside with no metal, for example on the open field. Consider that now this is in my room. In the open field, yeah, the heart beating is kicking in, kind of teasing me. So let's do like this, so maybe you will not be teased by it. As I said, in open air, the band for synchronizing needs to be at this sort of distance. More far it will not synchronize, and that's exactly what I wanted to obtain, because I wear this device. If I want to synchronize it to be when I want, I mean, yeah, you can handle this synchronizing just turning on and off the Bluetooth on the phone, but what I wanted was a healthy way to wear it. I mean, I don't give a damn about synchronizing at 20 meters. I'm well aware that now if I lost it, I can't use the find my device function that there's on the app. But I don't give a damn, because I'm an adult. I know that if I will lose it, I will be on my own, and I don't want that having this possibility to find it will somehow damage my health. So that's it. So let's go forward and let's check out how this band works with the synchronizing. So I'll tell you. Now I'll take this band, which I don't remember if I show you, but works pretty flawlessly. So I'll take it and I'll put at some sort of 1.5 meters, kind of 1.5 meters. Yeah, consider still that this environment is full of conductive materials, so the signal could reach it pretty easily, but that's not the point, because most of the time I'm in the open space, I'm out of home, and when I wear it, for example at my job at the Decathlon warehouse, it works pretty flawlessly. If I want to synchronize, I have to put it there, so close. So meanwhile my phone locked himself, so I lock it, thank you. So now what do we do? Bluetooth it's currently turned on. I will just turn it off for a while, turn it on again. I'll open the Mi Band app. Let's see what we got. Allow access to location? No. Thank you. So as you can see, even in such dense environment of metals and walls, we can call it like this, the band at 1.5 meters can't synchronize. So now I will take it from right there, because as you can see, by the way, it's you saw it as I moved my hand toward it, it synchronized it, I guess because the signal kinda jumped on me and used me as an antenna. Let's see what this says. Yep, it's synchronized. So we're gonna try again. Remove the Bluetooth, put it again, done, and we start again the band. So now I'll keep my hand here close and I will not move toward that direction. Yeah, body is acting as a huge antenna with this device. That's something we should talk about, but it's not the thread of this video. Whoop, it's synchronizing even with me in the middle, because maybe that's me in the middle and I'm pretty sweat and I'm acting as a huge antenna. Done. So I keep myself pretty close to the phone. I will not allow the band to use me as antenna. So now the band is in that direction, some sort of Jesus, I pulled my finger. What the hell? Okay. So let's do it again. Yeah, the proper test should be performed in the outer ambient, not in home. But I keep myself super close to the phone. I wait, I will show you that there will not be connection if I stay this way. Oh crap. Let's connect it. Yeah, that's possible because there's a massive metal thing near to the band. Oh jeez. This video seems to be pointless, but the thing is that everything here is acting as an amplifier of the signal chip. So I will do it again, remove everything, just bring the phone closer here. I've seen that just a few centimeters makes a huge difference now that there's not the antenna. So that's perfect. Let's give it a time, let's give it a few seconds for being sure that like this it will not connect. And like this it's now connecting. I will make a test. I will just move my arm toward it, maybe moving slightly my body. No connection still. It's awesome. Move some around. No connection. And that's the point. In an open field without all those conductive materials, this is what you obtain. So now I go close. I didn't touch it yet. I'm just going with my hand in that direction. Now I'm telling you I grabbed it. Now I have it in my hand, as you can see right here. You can see the light. Now it's kind of 1 meter 20 centimeter. I will bring it closer. I keep the display on so you can see that I'm getting closer. Still no connection. Getting closer. And now it's synchronizing. I can say that's some sort of 50 centimeters. And that's 50 centimeters. Now let's see if starting directly at 50 centimeters what we get. So I'll remove, I'll put it back, wait for the crappy notification, remove it, open the Mi Band app. As you see, I keep it here, 50 centimeter, and it's sensing. So that's good. I mean, that's how it works. So just for being sure, I will show you. I'll place the band right behind the phone, remove everything, turn the Bluetooth off again, I'll turn the Bluetooth again, open the app. As you can see, the synchronization will be instant. Here we are, and that's what I wanted to obtain. The synchronization will be perfect if I will be close. I'll put back the band where it was before, so that kind sort of maybe meter and 50. I remove the Bluetooth, I close the app again, put in back the Bluetooth, done, open the Mi Band again, and now it's at 1 meter and 40. Oops. Don't know what the hell was that. And as you can see, there's no connection. There's no connection at all. Yep, now there is. Oh geez. And it syncs. It synced. It's curious that it syncs as the message came, as the Bluetooth jumped upon the mobile signal and used it for connecting to the band. Kinda everything in this room is increasing the signal. Now, let's see. Yep, still no connection. Move my arm. As I moved, the band is synchronizing because the signal is jumping, literally jumping on me. You can imagine, with the strength of the signal, as you can see now, there's no Bluetooth icon. That means the band is actually connected. So I do something different. I take the band and I place it kinda, you know, here, which is maybe 2 meters from the phone. Yep, still getting a lot of notification. So at 3 meters you can see there's no connection. 2 meters, sorry, no connection at all. But as I move my hand towards it, one hand to the phone and one hand to the band, still no connection. Turn myself into a pickle. I've turned myself into a pickle! Pickle Rick! You can see no connection. So now I will take it from my 2 meters. As you can see, it's actually here. There's actually no connection. Getting closer, and it's connecting. I put it back where it was, 2 meters. I come close to the phone, and there's no connection. Yeah, the signal, as you can see, is literally jumping on me. So I go forward in the direction of the band, just pull my hand in that direction, pull my hand, kinda grabbed it, now it's still here. As you can see, no connection. I'll not hold it by the chassis, I will hold it by the laces. Getting closer, and it's synchronizing. Yeah, I guess the Bluetooth signal is permeating my table, jumping on every single wire, every single metal piece which is around, and that's why it connects like this. But by the way, the point is that now, oh wait, yep, that's connected. So as you can see, this is how the band works without the antenna, and I would say it's pretty decent connection. I mean, the strength of the signal is pretty good like this, even without that super strong antenna. And I'm saying that I'm satisfied. No, just for showing you that as I opened, it's still working flawless. I'll put it sideways so that you can see it. Yep, so I have it on my arm. Yep, it's sideways. As you can see, let's perform a fast health check just for seeing if it works. I know that it works, but I want to prove it. I will perform a water resistant test because, by the way, I'm pretty curious to see if the band itself is still water resistant or what, and compared to that I will know how to behave. It's a nice breathing. Look at that pulses, how they're decreasing. So that's it, that's all. I got what I wanted. You bitch, synchronize when I tell you, not when you want, and that's the point of all. Thank you for staying tuned. If you want to perform this mode, you're free to do it. I feel pretty better. Before, the signal was kind of hurting myself to know how to explain, but I was feeling it. Now I feel perfect. I've seen even that when I'm driving in my car with the Bluetooth on the phone, because I'm listening to some YouTube songs on my radio of the car. In the ambient of the car, for sure the band synchronize it, because it's a kind of cage, the car and the signal permeate it, together with the redundant effect of the metal of the car itself. But as I pull my hand out of the window and I let it like that, as a truck driver would do, the band doesn't synchronize it at all. So I hope that I answered to your questions about how the band performed without the Bluetooth antenna, and I say it performed pretty good. And that's all. Thank you for staying tuned, and see you the next time. Bye, fellas.